Konnichiwa! Today I wanted to do something that I've been wanting to do for a long time on this channel, and that is to eat. I'm just kidding. I eat a lot on this channel, but it's specifically to eat this Family Mart burger fried chicken thing. If you don't know, the three biggest convenience stores in Japan, Family Mart, Lawson's, and 7-Eleven, are pretty well known for their deep fried chicken. And if you want to know who has the best spicy deep fried chicken out of those three convenience stores, we did a blind taste test. You could check it out up here. Family Mart has been advertising this burger sort of add-on thing. So you buy a chicken, a fried chicken from Family Mart, and then what you do is you buy a bun. The bun is the bun and it has a little bit of sauce on it. I don't really know much about it. We'll find out together. And we put the chicken inside and eat it like a fried chicken burger. Now my friend Ohayo Kuya on YouTube, aka Chris, actually beat me to a video on doing this. So he does a taste test, and if you want to know what he thinks and how this tastes, go ahead. I'll link his video up there or down there and you can go check it out. But what I'm specifically gonna do here is I'm gonna not only try this for the first time, but I was in Lawson's as well as 7-Eleven earlier, and Lawson's now is doing the same thing. So I bought a Lawson's chicken and the Lawson's bun. And like I said, I went into 7-Eleven, but they actually don't do this. They sell, of course, the chicken, but not the bun with it. Not an add-on sale yet. So they're not on the bandwagon. I'm gonna go ahead and compare the prices of both of these and just do a taste test. And I actually think Kit wanted to try this as well. So, Kit.
Yes.
You wanna come in here? You wanna try this?
Am I allowed to be in one of your videos? What?
Oh, you're filming too?
Huh? Of course, I'm a vlogger.
Oh, okay.
Should I go get my own chair?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Or am I gonna sit back here on it? I'll go get my own.
Maybe we can move over there. Let's move over there.
Can I come in too?
Yeah. You can sit on the inside.
Did you get me a drink?
I got us a drink, I guess. Wow, what a weird angle.
Oh, this is...
I can't even see my face.
Yeah, I can see mine. That's unfortunate.
All right, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Just
That's
so...
a better angle.
Yeah, that is a better angle.
Why don't you just...
All right, hang on, guys. First off, I went ahead and got the Family Mart chicken. This is the regular spice. Did you know Lawson's does it too?
I'm not surprised.
Well, 7-Eleven did not.
Yeah, I'm not.
So.
I don't know. I haven't. Oh, see, I can already tell the difference between their buns.
Oh yeah?
Um.
Well, let's go over each thing. So first I want to talk about the price
Uh-huh.
of both of them. And then we're going to taste them and see which one tastes better. I mean, that's really what you're here for. But let me go ahead and tell you the price. So the Family Mart one that they're advertising very heavily is 180 yen for the chicken.
Okay.
So the chicken's 180 yen, and then the bun is 88 yen. Lawson's is actually a little bit cheaper. Their chicken is the same price, 188 yen, but the bun is only 72 yen. And altogether theirs was 255. 268 for Family Mart, 255 for Lawson's.
So just
Let's see how it goes.
So one thing I noticed right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
So Family Mart has the tartar sauce on it.
Mm.
This one doesn't have any sauce on the buns.
Oh, okay. So that's that 10 cents, huh?
That might be the difference.
All right. Okay, let's go ahead and let me get a plate.
And a knife.
And a knife.
Hello everyone, my name is Kit. Please go subscribe to my channel.
Don't steal my people.
Your people are my people. What are you talking about?
It's true. So, you want to set them up? Should I not look?
Yeah, just close your eyes. Okay, well...
I'm going to get a... You set that up. I'm going to get a...
I gotta remember that. Very airy bun. Oh, perfect.
Okay, I'm blind now, and I'm thinking I should have put the blindfold on
Nope, I think you're a
before.
genius. I smashed the bun. Smash this bun. You gotta come a little closer, baby. Yep, that's me. Hello. Okay. Get off my face. Alright, ready?
Yeah, maybe I should have put the blindfold on a little, like here, puncturing my retinas.
So I'm putting the Family Mart chicken in the Family Mart thing, right?
Yeah. Don't be mixing them up. That's not a fair fight. All right, let's give it a try.
Sorry. Should have warned you. You want another bite? It looks like you got a bunch of bread there.
It's good though. Actually, I like this bread.
Really? Do you want another bite?
Yeah, the bread's really I feel like it's buttery. Okay.
You almost took out a finger.
Mm-hmm.
I just noticed something. It's gonna be so easy to tell which one's which.
There's no tartar sauce in this one. We shouldn't have said that.
Oh shit. So
That was Lawson's. The bread is really good though. But this will be a good comparison. At least I could, taste the bread.
Yeah, you're not tasting. Your eyes aren't the ones that are making the decision.
Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe the tartar sauce will ruin it though. Even though the spicy chicken is better, I think.
All right, ready?
Well, we'll have to, actually these are the regular chickens. We'll have to try each chicken by itself too.
Okay.
All right, next. Why am I still blind if I already know?
I don't know. Might as well take it off.
No, it's giving me
Okay, different sensation. Because I think there is a time when your eyes tend to judge.
I'm really focused on the flavor.
Yeah, you're focusing on the flavor.
That one's good too, but it definitely has tartar sauce. And actually, I can't really taste the bread on that one because of the tartar sauce. It's such a strong flavor.
Do you want to just taste a piece of the bread?
Yeah, let's taste the bread by itself. You cut it in half, right? You have your own halves? Okay, so give me a piece of the breads by itself.
Here's the bread.
Is that the Family Mart? It's not. Oh. Lawson's bread is better.
Is it? It looks plasticky.
I'm a Family Mart fan.
It's a very
but
airy.
Lawson's is better for bread. Open for the choo-choo. Don't touch it, even though you already did. Gotta even out the meats here. Let's see. How about that one?
Warn somebody. I can't. My jaw doesn't open that big.
Okay, here.
Can you flatten it?
Here's the other side. There's a lot more chicken.
Okay.
You're not saying anything.
Because the family one's better. So I don't really like too much bread in my thing. I actually feel like the consistency of this reminds me of a Krispy Kreme. Like it's like cheap, airy, and just like hard. It's very hard. It's like very airy. I like the consistency of this one better. It's more soft and more like. And I also like tartar sauce. I know you don't like tartar sauce, but I like tartar sauce.
I like tartar sauce.
And the addition of tartar sauce with the Family Mart chicken to me tastes better. I feel like although the Lawson chicken is good, it's like literally just fried chicken and bread, Whereas like Family Mart to me seems like a burger to me. Like it's more of a burger because it has the sauce, it has the nice bread, it has the chicken.
I am gonna give the bread to Lawson's for me. I think it's more buttery, but this is a more complete flavor. The chicken is definitely better. It's more juicy. I can even taste it through the bread and everything. This is just like super flavorful chicken. The fact that it's a sandwich, chicken sandwich, tartar sauce is like kind of necessary. I feel like a sauceless chicken sandwich is not.
Like even if they put a little bit of mayo on it, it would have made a huge difference.
So I do like the bread at Lawson's, but
I'm not a huge fan of the bread part.
this chicken is kind of plain, at least compared to this one.
I don't think the chicken's bad. Like it's very peppery. And it's good, but I don't know, like I feel like the Family Mart one just tastes so much more like a sandwich. Like I could get this at McDonald's. That tartar sauce makes a huge difference to me.
The Family Mart one tastes like McDonald's.
Yeah. Did I just say Lawson?
Yeah, the Family Mart one tastes like a McDonald's McChicken.
Yeah. With tartar sauce.
Which actually...
Yeah, the Lawson's one, I actually just ate the chicken by itself. It's very like unflavorful.
Oh man, I'm torn. I think I might like the Lawson's one better. Only because the tartar sauce is good, but it's... I keep changing my mind. It's like strong.
Oh, I love it.
I like the tartar sauce. It's not a problem. Except I can't taste the bread or the chicken.
Oh, I can.
Most of my bites are just tartar sauce.
But you know what I do actually like about the Family Mart one better? And I feel like I'm just shitting on Lawson's right now. But when I put the chicken on the bread, there were, like the chicken doesn't fit the bread. Like there was space between the chicken and the bun edges. Whereas Family Mart, they've made the buns to size, so it like doesn't, the chicken fits perfectly on the bread, so you're not getting just the bread. The first bite you took was just bread.
I think the Lawson's, I don't remember now, but wasn't the Lawson's bread like bigger?
Mm-hmm.
It was like much bigger, more puffy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm liking the Lawson's one better.
I like the Family Mart one.
I could taste the chicken and I could taste the bread.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, I would get both. Like, if I was in Lawson's and I was craving a chicken sandwich, I would get the Lawson's. Like, it's not bad, right? But if I'm comparing the two, I prefer the Family Mart one.
Let us know what you guys think if you guys have tried this before. I didn't even know Lawson's was doing it until I just walked in there. So it's kind of cool to try theirs. And for some reason, if you don't already know, this is my wife, Kit Zakimi, and her
So weird to
channel
hear you
is
say wife.
always linked down below.
Really?
See ya. Yep, always. Yours is always in the link.
Oh shit, now I feel bad.
Well, you should. See ya.